The stand mixer is one of the most indispensable tools in a baker's arsenal. Although not essential, it does make consistent baking easier and more enjoyable. Today I'm going to show you how I maintain my stand mixer with some basic cleaning supplies and tools. The most basic maintenance item is cleaning your stand mixer after each use. I'm using a simple damp cloth to remove any residue left behind by flour, dough, or batter. I tend to avoid any harsh chemicals that could possibly damage the exterior finish or even seep into the joints and affect the grease surrounding the internal gears. Mild cleaners are fine and will keep the finish looking great for years to come. Next, check for anything that could be coming loose. I'm making sure the attachment hub is tight, as it can come loose over time. A loose attachment hub won't affect performance, but it could fall out during mixing and scare the crap out of you. I may be speaking from experience. So yeah, make sure it's tight. If you're using a tilt head mixer like my KitchenAid Artisan here, you might notice that kneading bread can beat the heck out of it sometimes. This is especially true if it's seen a lot of use. Fortunately, there's a fix for this. I'm going to unplug the mixer, flip it over onto its side. If we look down into the abyss, there's a flathead screw all the way down at the end. Over time, this screw gets loose and you have to tighten it back up to put tension back on the tilt head. So all I'm going to do is crank down on the screw until it's super tight. I tend to do this before every bake. That's all there is to it. A few simple steps can make a world of difference in how well the mixer performs and how long it can last, because these things can be pretty much indestructible if you take care of them. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.